We are about to play. And I'm going to make an appetizer today based on, I don't know if you remember or maybe you don't remember, but a long time ago we used to take a block of cream cheese and spread it with hot pepper jelly and use it as a spread for crackers. And I had some hot pepper jelly in the refrigerator, and I was at the fresh market and I saw these Brie bites, and I thought, oh, and of course I have puff pastry in the freezer all the time, and I thought we could make jalapeno Brie bites. And then later on I thought, what about add a little bacon to them? So we're going to do jalapeno bacon Brie bites, and here we go. This is what they look like. So they're the perfect size for a little mouthful, and it's going to be really fun and pretty darn yummy, I think. Here's our puff pastry sheet, and I actually have 9 of these bites, and I think we can fit them just perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we're going to cut this puff pastry dough into thirds, going this way, and then again into, actually I think I need to roll them out to make them a little more square. I think that'll work. So we're going to go like this and like this. And puff pastry is pretty easy to work with. It's very formable. So, and that's if you cut it all the way through. So that ought to be a nice wrap size for these guys. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these Brie bites and we're going to cut them in half. Not with that knife. I want to use a serrated knife just to get through the outer skin. Go right down the middle. And we're going to place the bottoms on each one. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, now we're going to build our Brie bites. Okay, we're going to top our bite with a little bit of hot pepper jelly and a sprinkle of chopped up crispy bacon. And it's okay if it falls out because it's all going to be wrapped up in here anyway. And then we're going to put the top on, like so. And we're going to fold up the corners. And pinch the edges into the center. And then we're going to place them on a baking sheet, seam side down. And that's what our first guy looks like. And here comes number 2. Number 3. Bacon crap off my hands. Bacon grease, not crap. So I don't make a mess of the outside of this pastry. And we're going to enclose them. place them on our baking sheet. Make sure they're good and tight. I think these are going to be delicious. Okay, now we're going to continue on with the rest, and we're going to bake them at 425 degrees where I'm preheating the oven to. Our jalapeno pepper jelly bacon Brie bites are all wrapped up, and now we're going to egg wash them. Let's start in the middle so you can see. The oven is up to temp, and we're ready to go in when we're all egg washed up. And what I think I'll do next, before we put them in the oven, is give them a little vent hole. Or not. The cheese is too close to the top. Oh well, that'll give it a little decoration anyway. So here they are, and they're going in 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Our hot pepper jelly and bacon Brie bites are out of the oven. Some of them oozed out a little bit, but that's okay. They're still really hot, but this is what they look like up close. Browned, puffed, brown on the bottom. And let's see what they look like on the inside. Here's what our red pepper jelly bacon Brie bites look like. And they look pretty on this pretty little hand-painted plate. Now we're going to cut into it and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, cut open. A little hot to handle, but here's what we look like on the inside. You can see our dark layer of jelly and bacon, and then our layers of cheese, and nice and puffy on the outside, and flaky. And by the way, I took a bite, and they are yummy too. Thank you for joining me while I played with my stuff in the refrigerator, and those Brie bites that I found. I'll be using those for a lot more things, I think. And there's the inside again, and so yummy and so much fun. And thanks again. We'll see you soon.